Here's the van in the scrapyard that it's all sentimental vehicles. That's why they are sitting and rotting away like they are. The Impala, the one on the hill, just like that one. The Delta 88, and up there you got an Oldsmobile Delta 88 or Regency, the latest one that got parked. But I was thinking on this one, those some aluminum wheels, kind of like Craigers, but they take this and make a car hauler or a mobile work station with generator and welder and such. Y'all take care. Just like bringing y'all these videos to try to show you what's around. Still wasting away, but what's still around these days here in southern Kentucky. It's Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Hope y'all have a great day.